Hare Krishna. In glorifying Sri Ramanucharya, I would like to present some important principal lessons from his teachings. Number 1, absolute truth. Param Brahman is a person. He has all the wonderful qualities. Nirguna doesn't mean that he doesn't have any guna, but he has all transcendental guna, adhyatmika gunas. Arupa doesn't mean that he doesn't have any forms. Arupa means he has unlimited forms. So Parabrahman is not formless. He is full of variegatedness, full of qualities. He has a form. The Narayana, super soul, he is full of qualities, attributes. He is beautiful, he is knowledgeable, he is attractive, he is eternal. So this is one of the important lessons we can learn from Sri Ramanucharya. Krishna is a supreme personality of Godhead. He is the person. He is a Purushottama. Even though we are all Purushas, but Krishna is a Purushottama. He is the Uttama of all the Purushas. Uttama Purusha. Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead. This is one of the important lessons we learn from Sri Ramanucharya Samhita. Hare Krishna.